Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be looking very quickly at how anyone can start all over in life. This video is a step-by-step guide. Without wasting much time, let us get into it. Every now and then, life presents us with moments that urge us to hit the reset button. Whether it's a personal loss, a career change, or simply a desire for something different, starting over is a journey of transformation. Today, we're walking through a step-by-step guide to rebuilding yourself. Why start all over? Because growth demands it. Changes in our lives, whether chosen or unexpected, are calls to evolve. Recognizing this need is the first step towards a new beginning. Step 1. Acceptance and letting go. It's about making peace with the past, acknowledging where we are, and understanding that some chapters need to close for new ones to open. Step 2. Self-reflection. This is the time to ask yourself, what truly matters to me now? Reflecting on your values and desires paves the way for authentic growth. Step 3. Setting new goals. Dream big but start small. Define what success looks like on your terms, breaking it down into achievable milestones. Step 4. Developing a plan. With goals in sight, chart a course of action. Whether it's further education, a new skill, or a lifestyle change, map out the steps to get there. Step 5. Taking action. The smallest step forward is a victory. It's about progress, not perfection. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Step 6. Building a support system. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Whether it's friends, family, or a community, support is key to sustain growth. Step 7. Embracing the journey. Every day brings new challenges and victories. Celebrate each step, learn from the setbacks, and always keep moving forward. Starting over is an act of courage and strength. It's never too late to rebuild yourself, to chase your dreams, and to become who you're meant to be. The time is now. Take the first step. If this guide has inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Share your journey of starting over in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Together, let's embrace new beginnings for a better leading people, making impact beyond our homes to our world. I am Alan for InspireMyGem.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.